Hi, I'm Chad Lawson, and this is Verbose Mode, a series dedicated to two principles: learning to learn and the freedom to fail. Over the last year or two, I have watched hours and hours of videos and read dozens to hundreds of articles from makers and tinkers like myself on how they did their projects, and all these different how to's led me more with the feeling of why to. I'd be watching a video or reading an article and I'd be like, wait. Why did you use X instead of Y? Or what would happen if you completely remove Z from the equation at all? I realized I was much more interested in the thought process than the final result. At the same point, I'd be working on my own projects, and when I went to show them off, I realized that everything I was proud of, the best parts of working on this project, the things that made me the happiest, were not in the final product anymore. I'd be interested in the different components that I had to swap out, or the lines and lines of code that never made it because or had to be completely refactored to do the way I want, and the hours of spent researching different concepts in order to move forward again when I hit some different roadblock. So the projects that I'll be showing off in this series are going to be the ones that I'm most proud of, not because of how they work, but because what I had to learn how to figure out in order to move forward. And I'll be showing off all the different mistakes that I made along the way and what I learned from them. So if you are already a maker or a tinkerer, I'm hoping that this series will inspire you to try new things and reach outside of your comfort zone, and to show off what you do, not from a final product standpoint, but from what you learned from the process, and help inspire others. And if you're a budding or new maker, hopefully this series will give you that confidence to just start diving in and playing and realizing that the making the mistakes and figuring things out is really the fun part. Throughout this entire process, most of the projects that I'll be doing are going to be using electronics and programming. And that's, I say most, but not all. And that's just my particular output, my particular creative medium. Just as one artist might use paint and another might use chalk, somebody else might use a piano or a keyboard. It doesn't matter. It's whatever particular format that makes you comfortable and inspires you. Hopefully you'll find something that you can take from this series and put it into your own efforts. I hope to see you soon.